Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Well, today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from VIP Cross Stitch. That is www.vipcrossstitch.com. Now all of you know VIP Cross Stitch, they specialize in cross stitch only. You don't buy anything else, they only sell cross stitch and everything cross stitch, from stamped. They sell our favorite beaded cross stitches. They load more than once a week. They even do customs, and if you buy 2-piece custom printed cross stitch, and it's 10% off. Oh, listen to me. 3-piece, if you buy 3 pieces, it's 15% off, and they do them in 11 account. Now, in 11 count, and of course they do all the cross stitch crafts, tools, accessories. You must just go and have a look. They've got an amazing website. Now if you order over $55, you get free shipping from VIP Cross Stitch, and if you want to save another 10%, you type in my discount code, which is RELLA10, for extra 10% off. Now they're still running the sale where you buy 4 get 1 free. That means you add 5 to your cart, buy 8 get 2 free, add 10 to your cart, and there's no limit to that. The more you buy, the more you get free. Now please remember the following. It is very important. You do get a free cross stitch, but you have to, if you want your free cross stitch, you must leave free gift in the checkout box. When you go and pay your card, there's a comment box. Just write free gift in there. Alrighty then, I'm excited. We're doing Joy Sunday today, so let's get to it. Now let's start with this one. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? There you go. So let's have a go at this beautiful kit. Now, standard with your Joy Sunday, you get a reusable Ziploc bag with the instructions printed on the back. Also in the front, you'll get your barcoded sticker with the product code and number on it. Now, this is standard with Joy Sunday. They've got a beautiful front page, and remember, you see this picture. They print exceptionally well. The pictures they've got, but when you do this, it looks better than the picture even. So there's a product code, a number, and a name on, and the name is Copenhagen. 14 count 2 strands, 42 by 34 centimeters. So let's have a look at this pattern. We can look at the colors later. Okay, so it's an A3 double. It's printed on both sides. And I thought there won't be, but there's a little bit of back stitching in the tree, little bit, and then the windows are back stitched, and the boat is back stitched. Same here, the boat, the windows, a little bit in the tree, and that. Oh, it's beautiful. It looks so serene. It's like serenity when you're there. What do you call it? Serene. It looks serene. I think that's what you call it. I don't know. Help me out. Okay, so this is perfect. It's standard. Then this side has got the picture. It says 190 by 150 stitches, and this is a 14 count. Now let's get to this. Now I like what they're doing with the new stitches. They've been doing it this whole year about, so they started it, and now it's all the new ones look like this. The top symbols are for your pattern, and the bottom symbols are for your Ada. Now we are working with, let's see, 56 colors. And it's all full stitch and back stitch. It's going to look very pretty, tell you that. Okay, so let me just put it away, and then we can continue. They actually released new Joy Sundays today. If you want to go and have a look, very pretty. There's the most beautiful cat of me and cats. Okay, so let's have it. It's not very big. This is nice. It's not going to be a very long stitch. Okay, beautiful 14 count Ada, product code name and number. It's Copenhagen, 190 stitches by 150, and all your symbols are also on your Ada. It's a nice size. It's small. For me, this is very small, so this will stitch up very quickly. Now standard, their printing is normally amazing. I've seen a few that came out, but you know what? All of us are human, but this is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. It's perfect. I love it. It's amazing. There is absolutely, I love Joy Sunday. I've done many Joy Sundays. Guys, I have unboxed the European Street Scene. That's our new stitch along. Also VIP cross stitch. They send it to me. They keep it in 11 and 14 count. If you want to join me in January for our new stitch along. Alright, this is beautiful, perfect. So let's get to the pretties. Okay, so there, I just want to loosen them up. I don't mind loosening them if it's my own. If I unbox my friends, nah, then we don't do this. Ooh, okay. So standard with your Joy Sunday, you get 2 needles attached to your color cord. My light says no. There you go. And let's have a look at this. So we've got 1 to 15. And then we've got 16 to 30. There you go. And then 31 to 45. It's going to be beautiful. I love Joy Sunday still. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at that. There you go. And then, of course, we've got 46 to 56. Show them to you together. And then we will continue. There you go. Very beautiful stitch. I love it. Very beautiful. Amazing, right? Amazing. Alrighty then. So while you look at her, look at that beauty, I just want to ask, if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button if you want to. It is for free, and by doing that, you help me out and motivate me to make more videos for you. Also, please leave me a comment in the comment box. I will answer you personally, and hit the like button if you like this video. Now, you've been looking at that beautiful lady. Now let's have a look at her. Let's have a proper look at her. Okay, so standard of your Joy Sunday, you get your reusable Ziploc bag with the instructions printed in the back, with a little barcoded sticker in the front with the product code and number. Now I can see she's got a bit of back stitching, but she's beautiful. So the lace on her dress is back stitched, the flowers there, in her hair, her face is back stitched. She is magnificent. I love her. She's got like golden blonde hair. I think she's really beautiful. Now it's a beautiful picture. There's a product code, name and number, and the name is Snow Fairy. 14 count 2 strands, 34 by 34 centimeters. So let's have a look. Okay, she's got quite a bit. And this back stitching is not difficult. Remember, people, next year we're going to have a back stitch week. We're going to backstitch for a week on the video, and then we put it away and we have another backstitch. I think we should have a few, like 2 or 3 backstitch weeks where we catch up on our backstitching. I know plenty of us have a few sitting around that needs to be backstitched, and I am so included in that. I think we're going to do it. We're going to have fun. We're going to have chats, maybe a live session as well. So let's have a look here. Now the colors, they've also got the symbols for your patterners, symbols for your Ada. I need my glasses for this because these ones are small. That doesn't look so because I put it in front of the camera, but for me, they are small. Okay, she's got lots of colors. She's got 72 colors. And we're working with full stitch, 3/4 stitch, and back stitch. Oh, this is going to be fun. This is going to be a lot of fun, guys. Lots and lots of fun. Plenty of fun. This is going to be very fun. Very nice so far. So let's put this one away. Let's have a look at the Ada. While we do that, oh, there's okay, she's also not big. Alright, so beautiful white Ada, 14 count, and we serge all the way around for our convenience. There's a product code, name and number, and it's Snow Fairy. The symbols on your Ada is very small. That's why you need that paper. I can read them but barely because it's small. 150 stitches by 150 stitches. And I said product code name and number, and it's no fairy. I did say that. She's a bit busy here and there, but it's nothing you can do cross country. It's not so busy because you can actually follow it. You can finish your thread, so you don't need a lot of thread changes. And the thread changes is where the issues normally it's like take long. Very pretty, beautiful print. Nothing wrong with this. It is amazing. You see? Very, very, very pretty, and I adore it. There you go. Amazing. So let's look at the beautiful floss. But I must first, this one has 3 cards. She's got plenty. She's going to look so beautiful. She's got so many colors. 72 colors for such a small stitch. It's going to look amazing. Okay, so let's have a look, yeah? Oh, they thin. 1, 1, 1. So I am going to do them together. 1 to 30. 31 to 60. And then of course you've got 61 to 72. And you've got the 2 needles on your color card. They're there in this little bag. Can you see them? My light's not very friendly with us. Where are they? They're hanging here. There. See? There they are. Amazing. Fabulous, fabulous product. I'm super duper happy. I will leave all the links for you in the description box. If you struggle to find them, you can just go and look there. Quick and easy to find. And then while I pack this away, I want to take the opportunity to thank VIP Cross Stitch. You guys rock. Thank you so, so much. These products are amazing. Then I want to thank you. Yes, you watching this video. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. It means the world to me. And I appreciate it very much. Now, till next time, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.